Hey guys, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see that how you can choose the different ad formats for your YouTube video. So basically different types of ads are there, and it's on you what ad format you want to apply on your video, and you have the capability of selecting the ad format. So how you can do that? First of all, you need to go to the here create studio, and in creator studio you go to the video manager, because here you will see all the videos which you would like to make changes, and here go to the edit on the video where you would like to make change, and here you would like to go in a monetization. Now in the monetization section you will see here it will display all the ad formats which you want to show. Now first of all, this is display ads, right? So this is required if you are running desktop, so you can't change it. Now there are overlay ads, right? So you can unselect it, it's on you if you want it or not. You have the sponsored cards also, again you can unselect it or you want to select it. Then there is skippable video ads, right? And this is applicable to all device, so it can have in all device. So from here from here you can choose what ad formats you would like to have on your videos, and after setting the ad format, make sure that you save changes, and as soon as you save changes, then it will be applicable to your video, right? So that's it guys, that's it for this tutorial. And if you have got the information, then please like the video, and if you haven't got the information, then please comment in the section and we'll try to solve your problem. So thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.